get paid just to read books on Amazon. That is what I'm going to be showing you in today's video, okay? But before we get into that, don't forget, if you are interested in entrepreneurship and making money online, check out my channel because I post a video just like this one every single day of the week with a new way for you guys to make some money. So click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay on top of any future uploads and don't miss a video and don't miss out on any money. So guys, if you want to make a full-time passive income online, alright, because this method I'm going to show you today is a nice little bit of extra income on the side, but it's not going to get you rich, okay? If you want to learn how to make big money, like I said, a full-time passive income online, check out my #1 recommendation. That's going to be the first link at the top of the description right here, okay? You can see it on your screen right now. Click that and learn how to make a full-time passive income online from your computer while you sleep, wherever you are in the world. It's going to work for anyone at all. So check that out once this video is over. But without further ado, guys, let's jump into today's video. I'll show you how you can make money from Amazon just for reading books. Alright guys, so here is the website we're going to be using today. This is at acx.com. I'll have a link for this in the description down below, or you can just go to your browser and type in acx.com. Up to you guys. So with this website, all you're going to be doing is narrating books, okay? That's what this website is for. And you're actually going to be working for Amazon on this website, because if you see up here, if you click the login button at the top, you're going to be signing in with your actual Amazon account, okay? This website is from Amazon themselves, and you will be narrating audiobooks from like Amazon, Audible, iTunes, okay? That is what you're going to be doing with this website. Let me show you a little bit how it works, okay? So if you come over here and you click on go to the search button here, and you'll see titles accepting auditions. So this is what you're going to have to do first of all, okay? You have to come over here, and they've got 1,715 books right now that are looking for narrators. So this website is never short for work. There's hundreds and hundreds on here, like being updated every single day. You know, some of these will go tomorrow, but there'll be new ones. There's always like 1,000 plus on here at all times. So you're never going to be short for work. And let me show you how this actually works. Okay, so choose whatever book you want. I'm just going to click on this one, and what it says, how to get along with your co-workers. Okay, so there's all sorts of different types of books on here. Whatever you're interested in, you can just audition for ones that you're interested in if you want, or if you want the most money possible, just audition for absolutely anything that you can get. All right, so you can read about the book here. Okay, they got everything about it. You can see it on wherever it's being sold on, like Amazon or wherever. Okay, so if you have viewed this title on Amazon, you can see all about it, read all about it, see if it interests you. If it does, if you want to audition for this one, just click this button here, audition. All right, and you're going to be downloading this, an audition script. So if you just click download this, it'll load as a Word document. So let's just open this document and we'll have a look at the script. And here we go, guys. So you've got the script, and now all you have to do is record yourself. So I use something, it's just on the PC. Just go onto the Windows and search for a voice recorder. And that's what I use. It's really easy. It doesn't take up much space, and it's very simple to use. So just look for a voice recorder, and then just go over the script. Read this script in the best voice as you possibly can, and then that's all you got to do. Send that into them, and you'll be good to go. So for example, you just read this, yeah? So just start off, benefits of working effectively with others. Teamwork is a wonderful thing. It may take everyone a little time to get into the vibe, but when that happens, it's beneficial to everyone involved. I'm not going to read this whole script, guys, alright? You can when you are auditioning, okay? Read the whole script, record yourself, send it into them, and get as many jobs as you can. That is the idea with this. So with this website, guys, there's no limit to how many books you audition for. So what I recommend you do is just search for as many as you possibly can. Just audition for as many as you can possibly fit in, because you're not going to get accepted for every single one, all right? If you come over here, I found a good little article on this website. This is somebody who's actually using this website, and he's written a little, like a blog post about it, okay? So you can read this, and as you can see, he's been doing this for around 34 days. And so far, he's earned around $1,150 in just over 1 month. But he's currently got a $225 contract going right now as well. So that's, what's that, $1,375 in a little over a month. So not bad whatsoever. And you'll read, if I've read this, or I can't remember where he says it, but he says he auditioned for like 80 something different gigs. All right, like he auditioned for a lot of different gigs. They don't take long. Okay, look how short the script is. That will take you what, 5 minutes to do. Okay, so spend a few hours every single day, an hour, 2, 3 hours, however much time you've got. Spend that time auditioning for these, as many as you possibly can, and get those jobs. So if you're wondering how much you can get paid, guys, this is completely random. It depends completely on the book that you are auditioning for, okay? And there's 2 different ways you can get paid. Some are through just like a one-time payment, like an upfront one-time payment, that is it. Maybe $50 for you to record a whole audiobook. Maybe $200, okay? It's completely dependent on the book. But what you can do as well is you can work for royalties, and this is what I would highly recommend to absolutely anyone, okay? Work for royalties. If you don't know what that is, basically you're going to be earning a part of all the sales. Maybe it's 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, whatever you work out, whatever deal you work out, every single sale they make, you would earn that small percentage on the sale, okay? Which is, I think that's a great way to, to do this. That, in my opinion, that's the best way. The $200 up front could be nice, yeah. It's $200 in one go. You've got some money then, but you imagine the potential if this book like hits it off, okay, gets a lot of sales. That could be potentially thousands of dollars you would miss out on. So you can see the author's names and stuff like that, okay, and you can check out the book on Amazon itself. So let's just take a look at this one, and we'll have a look at the author, okay, see if he's got any other popular books. So once you're on Amazon right here, you can see, look, get the author Gaston, I'm gonna butcher this name, Echevarria, however you say that name, okay? Just click on him, and then we've got all of his books that he's made right here, okay? So honestly, guys, this one doesn't look like, I can't see any reviews or anything like that. So maybe this one would be a good example of one to just do the upfront money, okay? Just get that one-time payment and then leave it at that, okay? But what I recommend you do, guys, is do this every single time, okay? Look at the author, go back, look at the author, check out their listings on Amazon, see if they got other books that have sold a lot, see if they got a lot of reviews, and then that's the one you're going to want to do some royalties with, alright? As you can see here, guys, he's got a few books, only 1 review, 2 reviews, again, not really great, so he doesn't get a lot of sales. So again, this one might be a good one to just get that upfront money, but keep going through. If you find one with a lot of reviews, maybe 20, 30, 40, 50 reviews plus, then I would work for royalties 100%, guys, because that is passive income, okay? It's just money into your pocket every single month. Probably every time he gets a sale, you're just gonna get a little bit of a commission, okay? So this one, look, project budget, it is a royalty share. This one is for a royalty share, so he will split it with you. I'm not sure how much he would give you. Like I said, you probably have to work that out with the author himself, maybe 10, 20%, something like that. But that's what I would do. Work for royalties, get a nice passive income every single month. Passive income is probably the best kind of money, in my opinion. It's just money automatically into your bank every single month, and you usually just forget about it. It's just a nice little bonus every month. So guys, that is pretty much it for this website. You can just sign up, okay? Sign up now, complete your profile, and then start auditioning for these books, okay? You can choose whatever ones you want. You can filter them out here if you're interested in fiction or voice age or whatever you want, whatever you're interested in, filter them via that and just audition for every one that you are interested in, the ones that you think you can do a good job on. So the only requirements for this job is probably having a good voice, a nice clear accent, a good strong voice. That's what I would recommend for this. So I'll have links for you guys to sign up to this website in the description down below. Like I said, just sign up, start auditioning for as many books as you possibly can, and get working for some royalties. That's what I would recommend, working for royalties. So there we go, guys. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and all that good stuff, okay? Really helps out the channel, and I really appreciate it. So guys, like I said at the start of this video, this method of getting paid to read books for Amazon is not going to get you rich, okay? But it is a nice little bit of money on the side just for reading books, okay? A lot of people like to read, so if this is up your alley, check it out. You could make some decent money with this method. But if you're not interested in reading or you just want to make more money, check out my #1 recommendation. Okay, that's the first link at the top of the description. Like I said, it's going to work for absolutely anyone, no matter who you are, where you are, it's going to work for you. So check that out. First link at the top of the description. And I will see you in the next video. Alright guys.